Okay, how many times I train apps in a week? So lately, I haven't been training my apps. It's only this currently at this present moment that I began to train my apps. Yeah, for the past weeks, let me say something like there about 3 weeks plus, I haven't trained my apps. It's only recently. Yeah, starting from the beginning of this week that I began to train my apps, and I usually train my apps 3 to 4 times in a week using an apps regular. Let me show you guys the apps regular that I usually use to train my apps. Okay, yeah, I use the one with a four wheel. This one will maximize the effect. It will increase the efficacy so that you will be able to see much more improvement on your apps. Okay, yeah, if you want that solid, walky looking apps, do get yourself one of these. It comes with a mat. Yeah, ciao and do enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.